Today we'll talk about how can you enable this sign or know how you can do that on your Everand app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just click on here, you click on account down here, you just click here on account. It's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. So then all you have to do now, you just click here on notification settings, just click on it here, then it's going to take you to this list. Then all you have to do now, just click here on notification categories, come here to on titles becoming available here, click in this sign that like you see this color show for us, that's mean here on titles become available, it's enabled with us now here. So that's all you have to do, that's all. I wish now you are great. Just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking.